So this demo is going to go ahead and talk about the auction project. Auction is for use as illustrative purposes. It goes through a number of different things, such as examples of using null, anonymous objects, chaining method calls, as well as some iteration stuff. As you recall, when we talked about null, here's an example of it, meaning no bid yet. So with that, let's go ahead and get to the code, and we'll come back here as necessary. So we're going to go up to auction and open up the auction package. The main class that we're referring to in this case is auction. Notice the relationships. Lot has a bid inside of it, auction has a bid inside of it, and a person and a lot. Alright, so standard declaration, we see this at the top, very important for this week's homework. We see a constructor. Here it's creating it generically, so it's taking anything in that it wants of any kind. Here's an iterator that we talked about for lot, colon, lots. So as it goes through each one of these, it'll pop the current object into lot and let you use it, which is very helpful. Here's the null that they're talking about. Notice it's a different shade of blue. Selected not equal to null, meaning that there's nothing there yet. It's a way of working through the code and getting things done. Here's a Boolean defined. Remember how we talked about scope? This variable only exists in that one time. So Boolean successful equals this for bid. If it's true, then we come down. If it's false, then we exit down there. Okay? Pretty straightforward here. Return a null if it doesn't find it. Otherwise, find the one. So this is actually working through, trying to find it. And if it doesn't find the selected lot, it tells you that it doesn't exist and returns a null back for the code to go ahead and absorb. All right? So there's a use of a variety of different methods that we've talked about in recent days. Here's an add for adding a lot into the collection. So again, this code has some really good examples of what might be able to be helpful in this week's homework assignment. While short, I hope this was very helpful to you and you got some benefit. Thank you.